In this video, I will show you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word and fix the error that prevents you from editing your document. If you're experiencing an issue where you can't write due to the selection error, here's how to resolve it. First, close Microsoft Word completely. Then, locate your Word installation folder on your computer. To do this, navigate to the file location of Word. Once there, click on the Microsoft Office folder and open it. Inside, look for a folder named Office 16 or a similar version number, depending on your installation. In this folder, you'll find a file named OSP. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Allow it to run, and this should resolve the selection lock issue. And that's it. You'll now be able to edit your document without any restrictions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.